YouTube, it's Rick with Chasing Profits. And today we have an E150. You guys know how I love my E150 vans. We are going to show you how to remove the carpet and put in new carpet right here on Chasing Profits. First step, what you're going to want to do is you're going to remove this foot panel here, and it's just comes up with your hands. You can just pull it right up on the passenger side and on the driver's side. This is the passenger side here. I've already pretty much taken it out. The second thing you want to do is take out that console. Now on this console I took it out so I could show you the different hinges that are on there. You got one here, you're going to pull back and this thing's going to come out, and then you're going to twist that one, twist it. And then this one here you're also going to twist, and then this one here you're going to pull back, and then you have to recline both seats back or adjust both seats all the way to the back, and then you can go ahead and get it out. I pulled it out through the driver's side. It doesn't matter, you can get it out through driver's side or passenger side. And then we're going to take out these seats. Take out these seats, the driver's side, passenger side. You're going to need T55. T55 right here.
I'm going to disconnect my one line here. And disconnect my other line here. Let's scratch that. Let's put this forward, connect it and put it forward first all the way. Just in case we get back there and we can't see the other two bolts. So we gotta hop in the back now. But before we hop in the back, we'll do the passenger side. Here's the passenger side. Got one T55 bolt right here.
So there's those two bolts. Put everything in my center console here. Now I'm going to retract my seat all the way forward. Now I'm in the back, passenger side first, and no more T55s. This is actually 3/4 inch ratchet. Go to the side here. We will remove this now. Your nuts. Make sure they're in a safe spot. Put everything in the center console here. So now we're going to go ahead and remove this seat. We're going to take this out. That's going to come out and move to the driver's side. So let's take this out now. The passenger side front seat. You have one of these clips. I'd imagine it's for the airbag or sensor for seat belt. So let's take this out now. The driver's side now. Again, 3/4 inch socket. Alright guys, so the next thing you're going to want to do is remove all the screws here. We are removing this panel here, and it seems that it's a little tricky. Really don't understand these screws. They're like not really screws, they're like there's things that I can't explain. It's like these plugs with screws in them. It looks like they used like Home Depot type carpet. There's a couple screws down in here that I missed. One here. One here, one there. Oh, all right. And one step closer. Keep all these in a spot. Let's finish removing this rear seat here. All right, guys. Now we're moving to the back. Alright, so we're taking this one out now. I loosened up the one on this side, which was 3/4. All right. Alright, that one's loose. We gotta do the backs, one there, one back there. So here's the back side. So you got 2 bolts there, I gotta take those out. Alright, just one left. Found my impact driver adapter and my impact driver because I'm just not doing it anymore. Take these brackets, put them over here, get all your bolts out, and we're gonna go ahead and take these out. That one up there too. Look guys, you didn't even have to do what I did. See that? Carpet's already coming out, so you don't have to take off the seatbelt. So I'll go ahead and put that back in a second. So don't take out the seatbelts. We don't have to. I don't need to replace that. That looks great. Take these, put them up here, and all these are for this bracket here. Alright, so let's put this bracket, let's get all these out of here. Put the bracket up. This bracket over here. 5/8 socket. Wow. Pretty intense. Let me see if there's anything on the bottom. Well guys, I'll tell you what we're going to do with this. The bolts underneath there are so rusted that I'm not even going to attempt to do it. I'm going to cut around this. It's being, you know, hidden. It's being hidden by the rear seat. So I'm going to cut around this and do my best because I'm not messing with these. I'm just going to cut around them. On the back. We're gonna start removing it from the front here. Just take this right here like that. Ooh, man. 20 years of dust just came out of me. Okay guys, there's the carpet. We gotta measure it now so we can use this as a template, mark it, and just cut around the new carpet. So we'll go to Home Depot now and we'll get this carpet, and we're gonna have to take these bolts out, these two bolts. So we gotta get underneath the car, the van. I don't want it to look crappy, so gotta sweep all this shit out, all this crap that's on top of here, all this dirt and dust. So sweep all that out, and then we'll go Home Depot and get our carpet. Let's get going. So I got my tape measure at the farthest, longest point, and it's 170 inches. And then we're gonna take it and do it across. See what the longest point across is. I'd say we're at 70. So 170 by 70.